Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with taking money from a non-profit organization. Let's see here. My son has a record for theft. He found a job in an organization that provides help for the homeless. One day, $10,000 disappeared, and he is accused of taking it, and there is security video of him doing it. Great. First of all, it's extremely difficult to find a job in and of itself when you've already been found guilty in the past of a theft. So now that you have this new job, and now your son is being accused of embezzlement, this doesn't go so well. Number one, because that theft will be a prior offense, and in this case, since it's a very similar type of offense, the DA is going to be able to use that prior theft to show that your son has a propensity for stealing. Now this right here, what's being described, is a form of embezzlement. This is a violation of Penal Code Section 503 that carries up to 3 years state prison. It's going to be very, very important. It's going to be super important to be able to come up with that money and to be able to pay the restitution as quickly as possible. In our experience, generally speaking, when the restitution is taken care of as quickly as possible, you tend to get a far better resolution in your case. You tend to have a much higher chance of avoiding a state prison sentence when you are able to cover that restitution to the victims, because it's very rare in criminal cases where a victim is made whole. Most people who commit crimes tend not to make very much money, but if there's a way that you could come up with that $10,000 and for your attorney to discuss this with the DA to see if the victim can get their money back as quickly as possible, a lot of times a deal can be reached to avoid a state prison sentence, and quite frankly to avoid a county jail sentence altogether. Obviously, there is a very high probability that your criminal record is going to take a hit, and but that's something you're just going to have to deal with because there's recording of the incident. Now, the other issue I need to discuss is whether or not you're a U.S. citizen or not. And the reason is because if you're not a U.S. citizen, embezzlement is a crime of moral turpitude, and it's the type of crime that would result in deportation, exclusion from the United States, or denial of naturalization. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who was accused of rape and taking naked photos of a minor. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers, criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.